So we are live now. The stream has started.
Okay. Okay, last class I have discussed about the data quality. So can anybody tell me what is data quality? What is called data quality? Why do we assess the data quality? Dakshi, can you tell? Kavita, Mona Lisa, Anthony? What is the meaning of data quality? Am I audible to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So data quality, it means whether your data is able to meet the assumption of specific statistical tools for your analysis. That means when you want to use any statistics, the first thing is to study the assumption of that particular statistical tool. If your assumption does not fulfill by your data, that means data quality is poor. For example, if your data has outlier, your correlation coefficient, that will be seriously affected. Okay. Therefore, the first thing for any statistical analysis is to find out whether your data is able to satisfy the assumption of specific statistical tool. This is clear or any question?
Sir, statistical tool means SPSS like that, sir.
Statistical tool means central tendency, correlation coefficient, ANOVA, t-test. So they are all statistical tools. SPSS is the software. SPSS is not statistical tool. SPSS is the software. SPSS is the platform. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you have the rating scale data. So what is the assumption of the rating scale data? First assumption is that
data should be maintain the normal probability curve and mean, median, mode, maybe concise.
Maybe close to each other. We cannot say same. They may be close to each other. So that is for the parametric statistics. Okay. Now, suppose I am telling you that is the item of one particular value is close to the another item or not. Theoretically, all the items, that is the 5 items for each value, they will be associated with each other. Okay, that is the theoretical point of view. For example, first item is measuring self-awakening. Second item also measuring self-awakening. Third, fourth, and fifth, they are also measuring self-awakening. Okay. That means there will be the high correlation among these 5 items. If these 5 items, they are correlated with each other, then you can tell that is inter-item correlation or internal consistency of the particular value that is supposed to be high. If we do the Cronbach's alpha. This is clear because Cronbach's alpha measures the internal consistency. That means the first item is measuring the construct the second, third, fourth, and fifth, they are also measuring the same construct, but in different ways. This is clear to all of you or any question? Suppose I want to know the level of happiness by using 5-point rating scale. So can you suggest any item, any statement? Hello, Kavita, can you say any statement? Dakshi, Mona Lisa, Anthony, are you here?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Only one item or one statement you tell that is measuring the level of happiness. This is a very common question in the interview. Very simple. For example, I feel happy. Now there will be the 5-point rating scale. from strongly disagree to strongly agree. Okay.
I feel enjoyable.
I feel
Enjoyable.
enjoyable. I am enjoying my life. I feel happy and I am enjoying in my life. These two will be correlated with each other. Okay.
That it gives a pleasure to attend the class.
Yeah, I feel pleasure. I feel it should be there. I feel pleasure in attending the class. Yes, that is also happiness. That is okay. That means if I say I am happy now, and if I assign the score 4 or 5 in other two items, there will be high possibility that my score will be 4 or 5. And if I am unhappy, then my score will be 1 or 2 in all the items. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Therefore, in SPSS, initially we have to do this analysis. If you cannot see, please tell me. I am sharing the screen. Okay. So now, here is analysis. Descriptive statistics. I am clicking cross tab. Okay. There is another item. I am writing in column. Then there is statistics. I am clicking chi-square. Also, I can click phi, contingency coefficient.
Sir, what is
Then
mean by chi-square, sir?
chi-square is a test that can tell you to what extent observed frequency is matched with the expected frequency. So now I have done. Here you can find out. This is the SA1. Okay, first item. And this is SA2. This is clear. And here you can find out the total number of observation is 30.
Their screen is not visible, sir.
Okay.
Calculation.
Now it is visible.
Yes, sir.
Total number is 30. Okay, there is no missing case. Now, undecided 7 people. Agree 10 people. Strongly agree 13 people. Okay. And this is the cross tabulation. In SA2, you will find 3 categories are there. You undecided, agree, and strongly agree. But SA1, you will find 4 categories are there. Agree, undecided, disagree, undecided, agree, and strongly agree. Okay. From SA2, undecided is 7 people. Agree is 10 people. And SA is 13 people. But in case of the first item, disagree is 1. Undecided 6. Here it is 7. And here it is 6. Agree is 11. Here SA is 10. And strongly agree, it is 12. Here it is 13. So this is called the cross tabulation. Okay. Now this is the chi-square value. This is clear to all of you. Chi-square value 13.88. The DF value is 6. Why? Because column minus 1 into row minus 1. So therefore it is 6. So here it is 3 and here it will be the 2. For SA2, it will be 2. Anthony, this is clear?
Yes,
And
sir.
now you can find out it is significant. That means
Could you please repeat?
this is the cross tabulation. This is clear? Mona Lisa?
No, sir.
Now 2 items are there. This is the first item.
Yes, sir.
For the first item, there are 5 categories. Second item also 5 categories.
Yes, sir.
But your data indicates that in first item, 4 categories you have noted. And in
Yes, sir.
second item, 3 categories you have noted. And this is the distribution.
Yes, sir.
For category 2, that is for second item, 3 categories are there. 3 rating categories are there. Total is 30.
Yes, sir.
Now you can find out there is the association between the two. That means who are in favor of undecided. For the first item, 6 people. For the second item, 7. Very close. Again, it is 11. and it is 10, that is also close.
Yes.
It is 12, and this is 13. This is also close.
Ah,
Okay.
yes, sir.
So now we can find out that more number of respondents responded higher category in both cases. Therefore, I can tell that is there is a strong association between the two items. Since the association is strong, therefore you can find out the Pearson chi-square that is also high, 13.88, and DF value is 6. Why DF value 6? Because here it is 4 category minus 1, so 3, and here you can find out 3 categories, minus 1, 2, 3 into 2, 6. Therefore, the degrees of freedom is 6, and it is highly significant, 0.03. It is the significance level. Okay.
Okay.
This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, in case of the phi coefficient, since there is a high association between the two sets of items, you will find the phi coefficient that is 0.68. That means 0.7.
Sir, what is phi coefficient, sir?
Phi coefficient, that is the coefficient for the cross-tabulated data. This is following the correlation model, but not the Pearson product moment approach. Okay. It assumes that the two variables are there and they have the dichotomous. They have the different categories. Okay. Therefore, I am using the phi coefficient. Phi coefficient is also high, 0.68 means 0.7. Okay. Now, I have to find out the data set in graphs. This is visible. Now I am taking these two things. Okay. This is clear. Okay. So both items, they are very close to each other. Okay, that means there is a strong association between them. Then I can use another graph. This is the scatter. This is clear, visible. The graph is visible to all of you.
Yes, sir.
It is now clear. The graph is clear.
Sir, can you explain the graph, sir?
Have you seen the graph?
Sir, it was visible, sir.
This is visible, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, before the line, I have shown the scatter plot. Okay. After that, I have drawn the line. So this line is the regression line. So this is basically the simple regression. So you have to do, initially you will get this data. After that, you have to click it. And when you click, then you will get this data. Okay. After that, you will click this thing. Add fit line at total. You click this one. If you click this one, then you will get this regression line. That means 1 unit change in the x-axis indicates another unit change in the y-axis.
Linearly on x-axis increase to y-axis increase.
Yeah. So if this line is this, that means there is a homoscedasticity. So if it increases, this is also increasing. Okay, and this is the regression line. This is clear? Now this thing you can do in this way also. Graph, and there is chart builder. In the chart builder, you can click OK. There is a scattered dot. This is visible?
No, sir.
Okay. This is clear now? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you have to select. This is the simple scatter, and this is the simple scatter with fit line. So you can drag this one here. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
That means there is no correlation between the two groups, because it is straight. Okay. There is no correlation. If it is this, then you can think it is a positive correlation. If it is this, then you can think it is a negative correlation. So one increases, another one decreases. And both increase. Okay, both variables are increasing, X and Y. That means the line will this. So I am taking self-awakening to the X-axis. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then I am taking SA2 in the Y-axis. Okay.
Right.
Huh. Are you telling something? So when you have done it, then here is something written. You will check it. That is the element properties. It is written value. You can change the color. Options are there. X-axis points are there. You can make it in ascending or descending, as you like. Okay. So from SA to SD. Here it is y-axis. Again, you can change the direction also. After that, you click OK. Then you will get this distribution. Then you can click it. Just you have to check which one. Global. Shit. No, this is not work. You have to think about this one, but it is not working. No, it is not working. I do not know. Okay, instead of this one, this directly chart builder, you can use this graphs. This legacy dialog. Legacy dialog is better. Okay. Now, I am presenting you another thing, that is the pie diagram. Summaries of separate variables define self-awakening by slides. Then I click OK. This data is clear.
Yes, sir.
So this is the pie diagram. If you click it, then there will be options. So you can click it title, you can click it text box, and therefore you can write down. If you write down this thing, elements, and then show the data level, So you will get this data level. Okay. So in this way, you can get the pie diagram. Now, if you click the graphs, again the chart builder, okay. Suppose I am taking only the bar, and there is a bar. It is called the stacked bar. This is clear. Now this is shakes. That will be male and female. Okay. And this is self-awakening. Sorry. Control cheat. Self-awakening, that will be here. Okay. Now you can find out the categories of people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So whether the male and female, any difference is there or not. Here you can modify. It is written count. Instead of count, you can click percentage, or you can click mean. Mean will not be accepted because it is a stack bar chart. So percentage will be accepted. Okay.
Sir, female is more self-awakened.
Female self-awakening. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Self-awakening level, female is more than the male. After that, you click OK. And this is the stack part by percentage. This is clear. Stack part, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 1 second.
Self-awakening, that is strongly agree. That is yellow color. Following the percentage. Self-awakening high in case of the male, comparison with the female. Not in terms of count, but in terms of percentage. This is called the stack bar chart. Now, if you click it, then options will be there. If you want, you can transpose also. Okay. This looks better. You can transpose. After that, you can click elements and show data labels. This is clear? This is clear? Stack bar percentage of shakes
Yes, sir.
by self-awakening. So for your study, you can find out whether there is a difference between the two groups or not. And if the difference is there, you can check it whether it is significant or not. Then what will you do? Again, you will click Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, then cross tabs. Okay. After that, okay. So now you find the significant difference is there or not. You find there is no significant difference. That means though from your observation, the difference is there, but this difference is not significant. Here Pearson chi-square is 0.502. Why we have noted this thing? Because it is 24, male 24, and female is 8. If female is 24, or it will be 30, this will be 30, then it would be better. Okay. Due to the inadequate sample, we cannot make any strong conclusion. So here, there is no difference statistically. And if you calculate the pi also very poor, 0.13. This is clear. Hello.
Yes, sir. Clear.
That means whatever your observation based upon the data visualization, statistically that is not significant. Because of inadequate sample size. Okay. This is clear.
Yes, sir.
Dakshi has left, Ankit. I do not know. Today Dakshi is not responding. So now you have understood the data visualization and how to use the cross tab for your research. Cross tabulation is very important when you will deal with the data that does not follow the normal distribution. Okay. Because here your data are negatively skewed. All the data are negatively skewed. So this is the data chart 1. And you click it, histogram.
Sir, screen is not visible, sir.
Okay, okay. Because your data is negatively skewed. This is clear. So this is the histogram and this is the normal curve. Now you click in continue, then okay. After that, you will get the histogram. Okay, so your data is negatively skewed.
Sir, screen is not visible, sir. Only data variable view are visible.
Achha.
Yes, sir.
So here you can find out the data is negatively skewed. Therefore, it is better to use the cross tabulation.
Sir, here where that is median, sir. Only mean standard deviation.
Yeah, it does not give much information. If you want, then you will get it. Now, this is another thing. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
This is the factor list. Plots factored levels together. Stemly plot or this histogram. Continuous. Then okay. This is clear now?
Yes, sir.
This is the male data and this is the female data. Okay. This is the male data and this is the female data. After that, this is the observed data, observed value, and this is the expected normal. What I have noted that the two values, they are away from the straight line. So this is the normal QQ plot. Okay. And we find that is these values, they are away from the straight line. Only one value that is on the straight line.
The dotted point is expected value.
Yeah, this is the expected normal and this is the observed value. So this 3.0 will be here, but it is here. It is located here. Therefore, this is called the QQ plot. And this is the Stemley plot. This is visible?
Yes, sir.
This is for male data and this is for female data. This is called Stemley plot.
Sir, in Stemley plot, how we describe, sir?
So this is the stem. Okay. So 2. Frequency is 1. Leap is only 1. So how many data are there? Total data. That can be understood. If it is 2, it's only 1. If it is 3, then it will be only the 5. 5 people are there. If it is 4, then it will be the 9. So 9 circles are there. Okay. And if it is 5, again it is 9. 9 circles are there. This is for male. and this is for female. So based upon this data, you can find out that is your data is negatively skewed. Okay. Here you can find out the negative skew. Now this is the distribution, male and female. This is clear. This is the box whisker plot. Since the sample size is small, we are not making any good conclusion. Okay. This is the minimum data. This is the first quartile. And this is the third quartile. If you want to click it, then again you can do these options, elements, show data. No, it is not showing. Elements, data level. No. It is not showing data level. Okay. But in case of the Art Studio, it integrates child. So this is all about the box plot. Box plot means box whisker plot. This is called the whisker. So whenever you want to apply the parametric statistics, before that you have to show that is whether your distribution follows this normal QQ plot or not. Okay. If it is deviated, then you can use the transformed score. So when you want to do the transform, then what will be the score minus mean divided by standard deviation. That is the formula. So this is the male histogram. Likewise, you can find out this is the female histogram. This is also negatively skewed. Okay. This is all about today's class. So today you have learned some of the data visualization. By using the chart builder. You can use the line chart also. Only thing you have to drag it. So this is the line chart. So by using the chart builder, you can do this analysis. If you want to do the box plot, you can use this one. After that, you take so this is the minimum data. And this is the maximum data. There is no outlier. This is the strongly disagree. This is the disagree, undecided, agree, and strongly agree. And this middle point, that is the median. So you will find that is the median is increasing from low to high. Okay, median is increasing. Again, that indicates negative skewness. Suppose you want to take only one data. Now you are taking self-awakening. Maybe it already indicates. No, this thing is not working. If you take this one, this is the male data and this is the female data. For 2 items, maybe. And you can change from here. That is the order and other things. So descending and you are changing the order. This is possible by sorting. So this is the male data and this is the female data. You can use stack bar chart. That is always better. Stack bar chart is better. Okay, so here I want to close. Ankit, anything to be discussed? Farah, anything left?
The stack bar chart, what, sir?
This is the stack bar chart. you will get the strongly agree, disagree, all those things in this position.
Okay. Sir, you told about whisker. What is the whisker?
Box whisker.
Ah,
Box whisker, that is, the whisker indicates whether your value, what is the minimum value and what is the maximum value, and is there any outlier or not. That you can get from the box whisker plot.
sir, what are the minimum, maximum, interquartile, all that, including whiskers? Sir?
Yes, interquartile range, everything you will get
Yes, yes, sir.
in the box plot.
Sir, what is high, low in this chosen form, sir? High, low, box plot, histogram, high, low.
Yes, this is, for example, this is self-awakening. This is for male and this is for female. Okay. And this is the first quartile. And this is also first quartile. And you will find that is the minimum value for the self-awakening, it is 2. But minimum value for self-awakening in case of female is 3. Okay. So apparently it appears that self-awakening level is higher in case of the female than male. But statistically, we have noted there is no significant difference between the male and female. Okay?
Okay. So that is the high and low value, sir.
হ্যাঁ বলো কোথায়? হ্যালো, হ্যাঁ মোনালিসা, you are telling something.
So this is the high and low value, minimum, maximum value.
হ্যাঁ, minimum value, for example, it is a rating scale from 1 to 5. So the minimum value expected will be 1 and expected maximum value will be 5. But if you have noted that is everybody has not given a score on the strongly disagree. Therefore, they have given importance on undecided. Then minimum value will be 3.
Yes, sir.
So it depends upon your data distribution.
Okay.
what will be the minimum value, what will be the maximum value, and what will be the average value. Okay.
Yes, sir.
There is a scope for data transformation. Then you have to do the score minus mean divided by standard deviation. That is called the transformed score. So when you find that is your data does not follow the normal distribution, then you can make it normal by using this particular formula.
So what is the formula? Mean?
Score minus mean divided by SD.
Score minus mean divided by SD. That is transform score, sir?
That is the transform score.
Yes.
That you can do using the syntax.
So you told about sorting. Sorting. How to
Sorting, data sorting.
Ah,
That is ascending and descending order.
yes.
I have shown earlier.
Yes.
So now I am closing.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh.